Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file your taxes as a single-member LLC. First, understand that your LLC is usually treated as a disregarded entity by the IRS, meaning it doesn't file a separate business tax return. Instead, all your business income and expenses are reported directly on your personal tax return, Form 1040, using Schedule C. This simplifies the process significantly. To accurately file, you must meticulously track all your business income and expenses. This includes revenue from sales, services, and any other business activities. Remember to deduct all eligible business expenses, such as office supplies, home office deductions, and professional fees, as these reduce your taxable income. Maintaining detailed records is crucial for both accurate filing and potential audits. As a single-member LLC owner, you are responsible for self-employment taxes, which cover Social Security and Medicare contributions. This tax is calculated on your net earnings from self-employment. Since taxes aren't withheld from your income, you'll need to pay estimated taxes quarterly using Form 1040-S. This helps you avoid penalties for underpayment throughout the year. Finally, ensure you file Schedule C with your personal Form 1040 by the annual tax deadline. While this guide covers the basics, tax laws can be complex, so consider consulting a qualified tax professional for personalized advice or intricate situations. Remember to check the description for a link to the Oala water bottle and other helpful deals to keep you going strong. Staying organized is key to a smooth tax season.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.